As Ukraine has hundreds of drones watching over the battlefield, they often come across where Russia hides their vehicles, ammunition and troop formation. This time a Ukrainian drone found two BTR-82A armored personnel carriers that took hiding inside a hangar. As this Ukrainian drone has a lot more payload capability than most other, it started dropping down multiple grenades, seeing explosion and fire spreading in the hangar. As we later see the aftermath, the armored personnel carriers are completely destroyed, destroying two more of Russia's vehicles, leaving two less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.